No poo? No problem. Refresh, revive, and rejuvenate second-day curls with pure aloe and blueberries. Formulated with certified organic aloe leaf juice, strengthens hair, adds shine, combats frizz. Formulated with blueberry extract, repairs damage, prevents breakage, encourages hair growth. No sulfates, silicones, parabens, artificial oils or fragrances. The Curls Blueberry Bliss Collection is formulated with certified organic blueberry extract, aloe leaf juice, and chamomile extract. Indications. Recommended for wavy, curly, and very curly. Hair types: 2A, 2B, 2C, 3A, 3B, 3C. Ingredients. Water, certified organic aloe Barbadensis leaf juice, glycerin, Polysorbate 20, Polysorbate 80, certified organic blueberry fruit extract, certified organic Camellia Sinensis extract, certified organic Chamomilla Recutita, Matricaria, flower extract, certified organic pomegranate seed extract, certified organic blueberry fruit oil, silk amino acids, Beantree, Guar Hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, Cocos Nucifera, coconut, water, Butyrospermum Parkii, Shea, butter, Cocos Nucifera, coconut, oil, potassium sorbate, phenoxyethanol, fragrance, tetrasodium EDTA, citric acid. Directions. Recommended for wavy, curly, and very curly. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite curl product. I use this on day 2 or 3 hair and sometimes on day 4 or 5. I apply on dry curls and the freshen back up. I even get added volume when using this product. It is currently my favorite curly hair product and always have it on hand.